Hi, it's Dr. Doug Curtis.
And Lucy Curtis from Dyslexic and Unstoppable.com.
We're here to discuss different types of reading classes. So Lucy, how did this topic come up?
So when our son, Felix Alexander, was in first grade, even by the end of first grade, he was still having difficulty reading. So somebody suggested that we take reading classes outside of school. So we went to that school, and we noticed that even after a couple of months there was no improvement. So I started asking around, and after talking to people, somebody suggested that there was a school for dyslexics in our area who specialize in helping kids in reading and with the math and anything they need help with. So we went to that school, and within 2 months our son went from reading kindergarten level to second grade. And it wasn't because of just the way they taught, it's just because dyslexic learn in a different way. So just learning the curriculum is not going to help them. And then the other classes were, one teacher per 4 kids, and this one is one-on-one, and it addresses the specific needs of the dyslexic child, and they have a different method of explaining it to the child so they can retain it better.
Right.
So if you could explain that class a little bit better, that would help out.
Yeah. So that's what we noticed, that basically that first class was a remedial class, that it was for kids who were just a bit behind, didn't have dyslexia, didn't have any specific learning disability, and just needed some extra help to move along. But because dyslexic kids do have a difficulty with decoding words and the phonics of words and how, a new word, how to figure it out, those kinds of classes don't really help them. So they need to have a class designed specifically for kids with dyslexia. The one we happen to find in our area used the Orton-Gillingham method. And like you said, as soon as he started to take that class, within 3 months, we noticed a drastic improvement. So this is just a really short video. It came from our experience. It also came from questions that we've gotten from people about different classes and that kind of stuff. But we just wanted to help you out to figure out in your area which classes might work for you. We'll have some links on our site to various classes that use the Orton-Gillingham method. And of course, we're always looking for what your questions are. So by all means, leave a comment below, and please, including question, let us know what you need us to help you with, because we'd love to help. And at any rate, this is Dr. Doug Curtis
And Lucy Curtis
from Dyslexic and Unstoppable.com. Thanks a lot.